Hello everybody, this is No Edits Crypto, episode 111, coming to you on the road. Intro again, just wanted to get a couple quick, get the intro out, and one quick thing I was thinking about on this drive that, a lot of people want to blame capitalism for the problems that we've had recently in the world, and all the debt and stuff that we see, but it has nothing to do with capitalism. We haven't had capitalism, and I just think cryptocurrencies are a fabulous way for us to actually bring back voluntary exchange. I had to go through a major intersection there. I'm back. So one of the reasons that we know that voluntary exchange is and capitalism is the way to go is because people wouldn't partake in voluntary exchange or capitalism if both sides weren't it wasn't beneficial to each party, so that's the only system in which people voluntarily go into exchange and each side purports to be better off afterwards. And this is something that a lot of people who believe in big government centralization don't understand. And this is truly an opportunity to teach the world, give the world an economics lesson, Austrian theory, and how business cycles work, and just how we can benefit from just embracing something that seems so simplistic. People don't need to be, considered to be. There's ways other than Keynesianism to explain what's going on. Keynesianism doesn't explain anything. It tries to treat everyone as a mathematical equation. It just doesn't work. In the Keynesian model, there's no inputs and outputs to determine whether social welfare has been improved through exchange. And when you get the government involved in the coercion, which government inherently provides by even existing through expropriation, the entire system is completely diluted, and true capitalism doesn't exist in any sense anywhere, really. I mean, local economies can experience capitalism, but in the truest sense, we haven't had it. And this is really cryptocurrencies and blockchain, decentralized blockchain technologies are a really great chance to provide the means to voluntarily transact without intermediary and centralized power and banks and government. So I just wanted to get that out here before we get into the news. Hey everybody, we're into the news here. The first story is the New York has granted the fifth ever bit license to Genesis Global Trading. They obtained the license and have they're only the fifth firm in 3 years to receive the controversial bit license, which was created by Benjamin Lawsky and his cronies. And then he went and worked for the people that actually give out the licenses, approve the licenses. So pretty interesting that the way this whole thing works. But the bit licenses come under intense criticism from cryptocurrency entrepreneurs, as CoinDesk's articles today says, and it says, speaking at the CoinDesk Consensus of 2018 conference on Tuesday, Shapeshift CEO Eric Voorhees called the regulation an absolute failure, that it should be removed, and he said it was pathetic that only a handful of firms had received bit licenses after 3 years. That's the rate of innovation in New York. So several exchanges also have stopped operating in the state, including Shapeshift and Kraken, the Kraken exchange, which is another very popular exchange in the cryptocurrency space. So New York State, get it together out there. Get it together over there. We need you to stop squashing innovation and start increasing it. Another story today is that the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange turns to blockchain for lending platform. They're planning on implementing that. It's teaming up with the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange, TASE is teaming up with the Accenture and the Floor, an Israeli fintech hub, to build a blockchain securities lending platform aimed to allow direct lending for all financial instruments. The BSL will act as a one-stop shop for all securities lending activities, permitting access to larger security volumes within short time frames. So that's Sunji Sunjers, and I don't know how to say that last name. It's Indian. Sunji Sundarajan. I know I still got that way wrong. I'm sorry about that. But those are the two stories I wanted to cover today. Quickly into the market today. The market is still moving sideways. It's at $8,097, down 2.64% is Bitcoin. Ethereum at $670, down 4.54%. Bitcoin Cash has dropped all the way under 1,200 after getting up there in the 1,800s. I think was the peak last week or the week before. It's at 11.99, down 5.82%. Litecoin at 132.23, down 4.45%. So some of these coins are heading downward a little bit right now. Neo down 6.35% at 57.41, and lastly, Steam is at $2.77 per Steam, $2.77, and is at 2.3% down. So the market is down a little bit. Hopefully, we get to see some green here this close the week tomorrow. It's been sort of a rough week after seeing Bitcoin get into the 95 range the last couple weeks. It's all the way down now. Looks like it might drop below 8,000 and test 7,800 level-ish. So interesting. Total market cap right now is at 366 billion, and Bitcoin dominance is back up a little bit. It's 37.67%. So let's hope we go back up tomorrow. Everybody have a good night. Please get in that description and check out the book coming up. Love you guys. Have a good one.